Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is my favorite day of the week because today I'm sharing a huge fabulous free printable that you guys can download, save to a computer and print as and when you need it. Guys, keep watching the tutorial and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Friday. Friday's the favorite day of the week because I'm giving something back to you guys as my way to say thank you for what you do to me, for me guys. And it's not just about purchasing my papers, but it's mostly about giving me a thumbs up, leaving comment, interact with me, send me lovely emails, watching my videos. Everything that you guys do for me is always much appreciated. And this channel wouldn't be the channel that it is without you guys. And I know I keep saying it, but I think it's really important that I mention it in every video. So Friday freebie, little treat, little free printable. So on Wednesday, we made these little butterflies hanging decoration. And I said to you guys on this background paper, in case you missed it, I will put the link down below. When I show you this paper, I haven't got it because I only printed one of everything. I said this kit is going into sale. Okay, so because you guys wanted has requested this kit to be big, so this is part of my mini kit, which is 4 pages. So let me show you this kit first. This kit is called Gold Baroque and is a lot of gold Baroque embellishment. So you've got 1 page with the tags, 1 full page with these lovely gold motifs, 1 page with this beautiful rose floral and gold envelope. Can you see it? It's huge. So that's this scallop, so that's the top. You fold it, put it in the bottom, so you get this really nice envelope. And the 4th page was this one here, which unfortunately, have I got the bottom of it? I don't think I do. Well, I got part of it. I got part of it, which is this one. So it was an entire page with this beautiful baby blue pink motifs, and there is a lots of golds in here. It's quite interesting. It's a lot of layers. It took me forever to design, and the success for this kit is huge. You guys have sent me lots of emails about making this as a full kit, which I am working on it. So as you probably can see, we made these butterflies together. So that is basically that. Can you see it? Yeah, you can probably see. So, and on that video, when I showcased how to make this hanging decoration, I said to you guys, the Friday freebie, it will be this page, but with something special on top of it. So what I did, I kept this page and I added John the giraffe. Ta-da! So I'm giving you this page with 4 tags. And on each tag, you got this beautiful blue background, which is just this one, with John. So you got John with the jacket and a woolly hat. John with is posing like he's a proper diva with his jacket. 3rd is John with his puffer coat. And then the 4th is John with a really nice grey shirt and an overall coat. Love it. Very sassy. I love it. So the new kit, which is coming up, will be full of Johns. So yeah, I'm using this giraffe, and I think I don't know if you guys gonna like it, but I like random things when you put it together. I love floral with geometric, so I like something that is very floral, look full of lines, soft with something very drastic. I love contrast. This is what I'm trying to say, and this is a lot of my kit. You can see that when I designed, I don't know, I haven't got an example, but for example, this is an old freebie from last week. I'm a contrast person, so you got this baby blue floral romantic background with boom, this very deep pink floral that like contrast, like clash. Same principle here. So you got a really nice geometric plain, it's not plain, but soft background with woo, like a very strong pictures on top. And this is me, this is the person I am. I'm loving contrast. So the new kit will have all these plus a lots of new part with John. Okay, if you don't like John, let me know in the comment and rename the giraffe. But yeah, to me it looks like a John. Don't know why, but anyway, so gonna go now. Keep this video short and sweet. He says we are 5 minutes and not said anything. Right, how to get the freebie. As usual, guys, you need to join my newsletter. You don't need to, but I will appreciate if you do. And the reason why is because I keep you up to date with everything on my newsletter. I send you one email every Friday. I haven't got no time to spam anybody, and also it's not nice to spam people, so I never do it, and I will never do it to you guys. So you get one email every Friday, which contains news. Sometimes there is a cheeky discount code, the freebie of course, and also yeah, some little treat. And if you wish to get this kit and the previous freebies, so this freebie and the previous freebies that I have shared for the last 3 years, join my Facebook group. And once you click on files, you see all the list of freebies that are available to download, of course for free. That's why they're called freebies. Yeah, it's just a little way from me to say thank you to you guys. Don't forget to check out all my sale digital papers, because they will disappear soon. I can't stress you enough, guys. Once they're gone, they're gone. There's no way to purchase them, hence why they are on clearance rack. So yeah, so I put them in there. Big special thank you goes to the lovely Lacey today. Lacey always give me a thumbs up, watching my videos, leave comments. Thank you, Lacey, and thank you to every single one of you guys for what you do. Weekend off for me, so I'm going to do lots of crafting. Weather is amazing, so I might get a cheeky lunch break in the garden, sipping. I'm not going to have an alcoholic drink, but I'm probably going to get a really nice cold Diet Coke. I fancy a Diet Coke. Guys, thank you so much. Honestly, your love and support means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my Friday freebies, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up, because it really helps the video and the channel doing well. Guys, I have a request about some videos which I've done already before, but I'm gonna leave the link here on the screen. It is the video when I make some postcards, some vintage postcards. Done loads of vintage postcard videos. I will put a couple of options down here on the screen, so if you're watching from an iPhone or an iPad, just simply click on the link. It will take you straight to the videos, just to give you some more inspirations and ideas. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Have a fabulous weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.